Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Bye.
Here we will create a procedure video with the title How to Assemble a Power Outlet. The first one, let's introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Triansa and
My name is Kardinal Mukhtar.
my name is Septian.
My name is Roy Botrohman.
Let's check it out. The goal is provide the correct guide on assemble a power outlet.
And then material and tools. And the first item, this A2 port socket, and then this cutter, then the screw plus and minus, electrical cables, and the last item, this test pen.
Step 1. Prepare all tools and material in a safe area. Ensure the power supply is turned off before working. Step 2. Strip the end of the electric cables about 1 cm using fillers.
Step 3. Connect the pasu wire red to the L terminal of the socket. 4. Connect the neutral wire black to the N terminal of the socket. Flex the cover of the socket and screw it securely. Turn the power supply back on and test the socket with a test pen or by plugging in a small electrical device.